Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix your dev error 6146. So let's get started. So here have to follow this easy steps. So it's like in our modern world for 3 and our world like Warzone. So the game season launches a Call of Duty. Often you can see it other things. So sometimes it's have the errors such as dev error 6146. So if you play and it occurs every time, that's mean you have to reset or you have to check for an update. So to fix that, you can try ongoing, or you can restart your system or your game, and it will be fixed. So these are the two solutions that you can do. Other than there is no solution. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.